I don't mean I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business come me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the metro, might be screaming.
So scared. I have zero brain. My first lecture is at a pimple that came up perfect before my first date. That's amazing. I have a 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. lecture. No, 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. And then that's me. So I have uni from 9 till 2. But I will probably not film in the lecture because it's my first day. But I will keep you guys like updated.
This that bag walk through, bad bitches walk through.
I had sort of kind of picked my outfit for today. I picked a top and then I was thinking of like different jeans that I could wear it with. So the top that I'm wearing, my battery is about to run out. This top, this was actually bought for me by my friend. Thank you, Isa, she knows who she is. But this is from Bershka and I'm gonna wear this top. It is like a bit cold, so I'm gonna have to like have something else to like put over it. But I don't know what jeans. I feel like I always wear these jeans, y'all. We're gonna try stuff on. So I just had breakfast. I had cereal and it's almost time to dance. You can see Bershka, I don't know, True Religion bands. You can see I always need these. (2:43). I finished my lectures for the day. How am I feeling about the day? I'm not sick. My throat just really hurts and it's really like dry. I've made some lemon rooibos tea to like make myself feel better. And then classes were okay, y'all, but like I was literally falling asleep for all of them. Like I could not keep my eyes shut. I made a few new friends, so that was fun as well. It wasn't all that. Today wasn't that fun, but I think it's because of the way I felt. Like I wasn't feeling super great, but better days are to come. Now I have 3 videos that I just have sitting there. I need to be on my Zoom. Hey y'all, so update, it's 6:15. I finished doing my TikToks and I took some thumbnail photos as well, and now I want to clean my room up because it's a mess. And then I want to go make a hot water bottle and literally be in bed because I'm so cold and my throat hurts. So I'm gonna go make some lemon soup. My voice keeps going very weirdly, so I'm sorry about that. The camera doesn't capture my beauty. Like we live not far from each other, like at all.
That's
like
funny because she's
minutes.
never getting rid of me. So she's currently helping me hang my clothes because as she should. Help. Hey, thanks.
Hey, hey, so basically it is actually Thursday the 9th of October, so this is me like after. I just wanted to come on here because I feel like the video is way too short, so I want to give you guys like a little update on how I'm feeling now, because then I feel like I was feeling quite low. Obviously I was sick and I don't know, it just like wasn't giving, but basically y'all, I feel a lot better. Like uni, I don't know, did I rate it in the video? But right now I feel like I give uni like a 7. Like it's not bad, but it's not amazing either. Like I feel like I'm in like a gray area where it's like I don't know how to feel about it. I've made like a few friends. I've created like a mini routine. I feel like I've only been here for two weeks. Like I've only done uni for 2 weeks, but I feel like I'm getting in some sort of routine. Like this is gonna be like my 3rd week, I think. I have some exciting stuff coming for you guys, like stuff for you guys to see that I'm excited for, that y'all are gonna be like happy to see as well. And I don't think y'all know that I have a job, but basically I have a job, and like the job, I like it but I don't like it back home. But I want to get a job like near like my uni, so like in my uni city, so like it's easier for me. So I went in today actually, and I like, you actually don't care about this, but I went in today and I gave like my CV and stuff, and like hopefully they call me for an interview. I hope they do, because that would be amazing. Because like if I get a job like here, it's gonna be better for me, because I want to get a new camera because I like this camera but I don't like, the only reason I'm keeping this camera is because of like the digital camera photos it takes. Like it takes really cute photos, it's so good at that, but I don't like the quality anymore. It's just not for me, I feel, anymore. Like it's not doing it for me anymore. So I want to get like a Sony camera, but I also want the DJI. So yeah, but I wouldn't want the DJI for like my like normal videos. Like I would want it as an everyday, like I would want it as like a here and there like camera. I have so much to save up for like big like purchases, because I also want a new phone, because obviously I'm trying to like up my like TikTok content. So I'm speaking low because what was the thing, y'all, like because I have the iPhone 12 Pro right now. It's good, but I feel like it could be better. Like and no one knows about my channel yet, and I'm trying to keep it that way. I don't know how long I'll be able to hide it for, but thank y'all for watching. Make sure to subscribe.